Ain't I look kind of crazy? Like,
Oh my God!
hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Life with Stephanie. It's your girl, Stephanie, and I'm back with a new YouTube video. So guys, a lot of you guys been asking me on TikTok and on Instagram how I do my edges. So here's a tutorial and check them out. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so let's get started with taking out your edges first. Okay, ain't I look kind of crazy? Like,
Oh my God!
but guys, what I will be using for my edges is Gorilla Snot, some Eco Gel, and Edge Booster. That's all I'll use for my edges. So let's get started. So guys, first I'll start with the Eco Gel because I'll style it with it, and then I'll go in with the Gorilla Snot and the Edge Booster afterwards, so like they could last me a whole day basically. So we're gonna start with applying the Eco Gel. Okay, so guys, I like to start in the middle because I feel like the middle is best to start off, so you could like get your style ready, I guess, because some people like to start from the end going up. I don't know how they could do that. Like, if you guys want, like, you guys can do these basic edges. This is my quick to go edges.
Swoop! Swoop! Swoop!
See that shit?
Swoop! Swoop! Swoop!
See, bitch? That's a damn swoop.
So yeah guys, this is my quick to go edges, but sometimes your girl wanna be extra, and I'm gonna show you how I do them extra edges. So Okay, guys, I'm done with this video. Like, check my eggies. Like, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And see you guys.